on bond for a case with us, and you've now picked up a new case. Your bond now gets revoked. He goes with you. No, sir. We'll appoint him a lawyer today.
Relax your hands.
Thank you so much for coming. Are you Mr. Pearson's mom? Okay. So is he working? Tell me about him.
Yes, he's working a little. He's in big trouble with me because I had him to do a voluntary repo on the sports car because he's not mature enough for it. He still goes.
They took the sports car.
I had him to do a voluntary repo.
Wow.
There's consequences when you don't abide.
You're my hero.
Um,
Really. That's great. Mr. Pearson. She's great. You got to listen.
I made sure I enrolled him in the College of Maine. I go to College of Maine. I just graduated last May. This past May in cybersecurity. I'm an IT.
Great.
So he knows the rules.
Okay. I'll give you guys a lawyer, whatever you need, you know.
I was going to talk to you about what you can do for his first offense on this and get it over.
I can't. So let's do this. I'll provide you the lawyer. The lawyer can tell you how to move forward with dealing with the DAs, but I can't get involved at this point just because I can get in trouble for doing that. So let's do this. I need you guys. Let me see if I have an application on file. If you don't mind, I need you to fill out an application for me. Once you're done, I'll give you guys a lawyer and then you guys can work on the situation. Do you see whether he has a license to drive or no?
He has one. He has one.
Okay.
He does have one, Judge.
Great. As long as you have insurance as well, then you can continue to drive. Just be careful how you drive.
He's in my old hoopty now.
Okay, great. Okay, guys, if you want to go with Stephen, he'll take care of you guys and we'll have you sign a reset. Thank you so much for coming, man. How are you, man?
Good, thank you. Belated birthday, I understand. Would you turn 41?
That's cute. It's like I have hair.
I know
Let me
you're
do
real
the same now.
busy, so I'm not gonna take much of your time. We have two cases, Judge.
Okay.
On Montoya Carrasco, first name Franklin, I just got appointed.
Are these in custody or on bond? Okay, so Carrasco,
To make it easy for you, he's got an immigration hold.
Okay, sorry, I was making out. Which one are we starting with?
Montoya.
Montoya. Okay.
That's the easier one.
Yes.
wait, we're talking about, okay, Montoya.
Cause number,
I got it. So it looks like she's got an ice hold, huh?
yes, Your Honor.
So whatever you want.
I need some time.
Of course.
I understand they told me 10.
However much time you need.
Okay, all righty.
Who's two?
This is assigned to. Is assigned to. Is assigned. Sorry, what was your question? Sorry, what was your
A
question?
little bit over a month, a little bit over a
No,
month.
no, no, you said you have a second. You said you have a second person.
Okay,
Right? Who's the second one? I don't care however much, I don't care however much time.
The other one is unusual case, unusual case I've ever had. First case I've ever had in my life. Last name is Orellana Carranza. Is that the one? Is that the one?
Yeah.
What's so unusual? What's so unusual?
One of them is for bail hearing. You got paperwork. I don't know if you got paperwork.
No, not yet. No, not yet, but. So it looks like this gentleman also has an ice hold as well. So whatever you want. So whatever much time you need. However much time you need. It's whatever you want.
And I got
Just-
30 days. I got 30 days for him.
Sure.
I needed
Okay, sure.
a bail. There is 2,500. He has no criminal record. He has no criminal record. The harassment. It's allegedly threatened the so-called owner of the dog who's going to kill the dog. First case of that. And I can understand the argument to make that.
So you tell me it's a harassment of a dog.
Unless the dog come in and testify.
The harassment is based
Never a dull moment. Never a dull moment.
So it's based on the felony. So it's based on the felony of animal cruelty.
It's not animal cruelty. It's not animal cruelty because
He also
it's not his dog. He didn't mistreat the dog.
threatened to kill the complainant's grandmother and grandmother. Like there's more to it. There's more to it, Judge.
Well, if they did that, I'm certain his office would file assault charge.
Well, no. Harassment.
Because of the dog.
Well, that may be the initial, let's say it's a dog that barking out of freaking, like my neighbor's dog, the freaking wall, right? But I can walk over there and I do anything.
So you don't admit it.
Is that what happened here? Is that what happened here? Incessant barking?
We already added an email. We're already gonna look at this case. We're gonna look into it. We're gonna look into it.
Oh, I see.
Of the dog. They have to buy the registered dog. They have to chip it. And I follow those. I never violate.
So however much time you want, set it a week, you set it a week, there's an ice hold, so there's really nothing. Okay, whatever you want, Tony, you got it. Just, the only thing I'm gonna ask is they are able to bond out, able to get an immigration, let them know they gotta come here, so that we can do conditions, so that they don't.
You're saying you're willing to give them a PR bond.
Well, I don't know. Because if we do that now, they make immigration, and that's gonna like a 3-month halt on everything. It's up to you. But be careful what you wish. You know what I'm saying?
I have not asked for bail certain individuals. I think maybe it's appropriate for to at very least consider maybe $100 secure bond.
You tell me. Don't take your time. You don't need to do it now. You don't need to do it. Let me know. Just let me know.
No. Let's do $100. But push come to shove. Really wants,
here's the thing. On this gentleman, on Oriana, he took off on us. So we did give him.
The other guy, Montoya. But he's been to immigration. He's already
technically, yeah. For about
both of them take off on us. And we got back in custody.
He's in appended case. He's been in custody.
It's an immigration. Yeah. Okay.
It's Oriana the older. We've got so many discoveries. So I tell Oriana, if you would consider at least $100. He doesn't have a criminal record. They charge him. I have two dogs. The next door dog keeps on barking.
It looks like we gave him the GOB and he took off. Right? He took off and then he got rearrested.
Tell you that he was in another case.
Let me do this.
I don't see any other charges.
And he's been in immigration. They lifted.
Why was he in immigration?
He wants $100 more.
So I mean, Judge, the state would be against reducing the bond.
If he was giving it a GOB, he took off and we had to rearrest him. I'm not giving him $100.
They transferred him.
Show me, and then I'll give you the $100.
I would like to look at criminal history. I don't know about it because I don't know about an Atticus.
We'll do the research.
Either way, Judge, he does like unity.
Okay, you're talking about which one?
Whoever you want.
Oriana's the way I want them.
Done.
The other guy, for a lot of reasons. But Oriana, I gotta figure out when he was transferred immigration to here. They lifted
with Trey. Trey can tell you. Trey can tell you.
All right.
Yeah.
And be excused or.
Always a pony. Always a pony.
You never volunteer. You never volunteer. You tell me not
He
to
showed us
volunteer.
pictures of the dogs.
Long they don't incessantly bark.
Next door, 3 o'clock in the morning. 3 o'clock in the morning.
Who do we have here? Who do we have
Ms.
here?
Holman, Ms. Holman,
Thank
Ms. Strong is representing also Leah. Both for please.
Right. Morning, Ms. Holman. Morning, Ms. Holman. And you were charged with theft. You were facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. $4,000 fine because of the amount. You guys have worked out an agreement where on your case, they're offering 8 days in jail, 8 days in jail, 8 days that you've done. 8 days that you've done. Good morning, Mr. Medrano. Good morning, Mr. Medrano. Is he you speak English? You speak English?
This is Diaz. This is Diaz.
That's okay. Both of you guys are giving up a lot of rights by entering the agreement now. You guys have now the right to a trial, to compel witnesses to confront and cross-examine your accusers. You guys are not citizens. There are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported from the country, excluded from naturalization, you give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, we'll go on your record. You can never take it off. Is this what you want to do, Mr. Honor? Like I said, you're charged with the theft. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. The thing that you need to understand, ma'am, is that this is an enhanceable offense, meaning that if you continue to pick these up, at some point they will charge you with a felony instead of years.
Yes, Your Honor.
8 days in jail, credit for the 8 days that you've done. Is this what you want to do? Is this what you want to do,
Yes, Your
ma'am?
Honor.
How do you plead to the offense of theft?
I plead guilty. I plead guilty, Your
I will
Honor.
find you guilty. We'll send you to 8 days in jail. 8 days in jail. Give you credit for the 8.
Thank you so much. Thank
Mr.
you
Diaz,
so
you are
much.
charged with criminal trespass. Agreement. They're offering 27 days in jail. 27 days in jail for the 9 days. For the 9 days. Is this what you want to do? Is this what you want to do? How do you plead to the offense? How do you plead to the offense? Guilty or not guilty? I will find you guilty. I'll find you guilty. I'll send you to the agreement. Good night. Thank you. Thank you. If either are enhanced, needs to be abandoned. Please, always until, always. Okay, counsel, come on. Okay, counsel, come on.
This is an off docket. This is an off docket. Tell you when you're ready for the case number.
Tell me.
254-254-3247. This is a case. An ounce of prevention. An ounce of prevention is better than a pound. I got on the case after he got his fund. He has random urinalysis. He travels a lot. September, 7 days, 18 days, October 21 days, November,
What does he do for work?
Construction. Would you like for him to,
Sure.
come on up.
So this is what we normally when do. They get called upon. They have to go to a diagnostic wherever they are. All over the country, and they need to test. It's a reputable lab.
We're talking my own. What I was going to suggest is, could he call Monday and give them his schedule, portable, and take a portable.
I'm okay with that. Yes.
That way they can work.
I'm happy to do it.
And it's a DWI, so making sure you're
Done.
Okay.
Sounds good with me.
Yeah.
Correct. You waive the fee. Are you ready? 254-3247. Okay, good luck.
Thank you,
Good luck.
Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor. Ounce of prevention.
Mr. Sims, come on.
I have County Savage, who I got appointed to today. The state has confirmed there's an address for the, so we have an amended MOA for you, just for your signature, Judge. We're gonna get her to sign it as well. You want her to come up, Judge? You want her to come
No,
up, Judge?
no,
Please
no,
have her sign
no,
it. Please have her sign it.
Gotcha. Of course, thanks, Mr. Of course, thanks, Mr. Runcie.
Judge, how are you?
Runcie, did everything work out with the case from me?
He's here because we have a motion to amend bond conditions and sign the.
I waived the signature. I waived the signature.
I didn't know that.
Yeah,
I didn't know that.
I told them I waived it so that he wouldn't have to come down here.
Well, we're here. We're
Okay,
here.
just whatever you need, just whatever you need.
Signing
Don,
the
yeah.
motion since we are motion since we are.
Come on, man, come on, man.
So I just need to have him trial and then trial.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Judge.
absolutely,
Thank you, Judge.
for
Appreciate
sure,
it.
for sure. All right, hi, counsel. All right, hi, counsel, coming up. Michaela, I'll hit you up next. Michaela, I'll hit you up next.
I'm here for Eric Ramirez.
Okay,
Okay. I'm approaching on his bond conditions.
who's your client? Who's your
Eric
client?
Ramirez.
Oh,
Eric
that's the
Ramirez.
client. Oh, that's the client for Eric Ramirez. I thought you meant you were appearing. I thought you meant you were appearing for him. Okay, tell me. Okay, tell me.
So I'm approaching on his bond
Did
conditions.
he just get out of jail? Did he just get out of jail?
He did not just get out of jail. He still does have the bond conditions that are set by the magistrate. He had his felonies dismissed.
Okay, come up, Eric Ramirez. Come up, Eric Ramirez. So it looks like he had a UUMP dismissed last and then we have the terrorist threat here. What happened in the terrorist threat, Morgan?
So in the terrorist threat, the complainant and the defendant are in a relationship. The complainant told the officers that her and the defendant had gotten into an argument, and the defendant stated.
Give me a second. Okay.
The defendant stated, I'm going to kill you. He then told her, he then told her, I'm going to have someone kill you. The complainant stated she believes the defendant's threats were credible. And I believe the bond no contact, there was no contact in place, and then no drugs or alcohol, because there were allegations in the offense report.
What would you like, counsel?
Yeah, so I would just ask the court to revisit the no alcohol condition. This warrant PC states there's no allegation of alcohol. There is a statement in the OR. There's no sworn court to make for the court finding the alcohol.
I mean, I can still, even if it's not in there, add as a condition of bond that I don't. How old are you, sir? How old are you, sir? Okay. Tell me about allegation. Normally, when I have a case like this, where there's an assault, where there's something of this nature, and there's either an alcohol, anything like this, I usually do it as a condition that they can't. So Morgan, tell me about, is there something alcohol, regards to alcohol?
It was just when the officers arrived and they were speaking to the defendant, they believed I think they noted there was a strong odor of alcohol coming from his person. And I think that's the only allegation about it.
Okay, that's why I did it, because, when they get there, they allegedly see him in some kind of state. What I want to do is I do it as an effort to prevent any future thing from happening. You understand? Dude, you're sick. Dude, if you're sick, we're gonna have you go. Are you feeling under the weather? Get out. Like, come on, go. Okay, I'm not prepared to take it off. Perhaps later on, if he's behaving well, reapproach. But at this time, I'm not ready. It's only been 60 days, give or take. So, okay. Come back if he's behaved well, then a little bit later. All right. Yes, sir. Please.
New events on Mr. Oriana.
Okay.
There was a hold on INS Holden, November 11th. He was sent directly to immigration. Court date that was given was November 18th. The
Tony, did he get sent to immigration? And now he's back.
He's back. They lifted the hold, another hold, and put another hold. They transferred.
Right.
Here. It's unusual. They keep them until. Slight varies, I understand. But November 11th, place a hold, date, November 18th, it was an immigration. They brought him back here. Put another hold on December 27th. So during the time period, when we're talking about it, his court date.
What do you want?
Just give a lower bond. Just I did my work.
I understand. If you want it, I will. But if he posts that,
then take him back, maybe.
Unless I want to take care of the case first. If they take him, I'm going to take him. I'm going to issue a warrant.
That's why I want $100 to show that. I don't think he's going to make $100. But it's from 2,500.
I'll set it at $100, Tony. But at $100, is that $100? Remember what you want. But remember, if he makes that bond and they send an immigration, that's going to tack on another 3 months.
To argue in the other case, because you can make it outside contribute. I don't know. Thank you.
Mr. Medrano, you were charged with driving while intoxicated. Second offense. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You guys have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 30 days in jail with credit for the 12 days that you've done. It looks like the state is moving to reduce it to a DWI first. Mr. Medrano, you were charged with driving while intoxicated. Second offense. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You guys have worked out an agreement where they're offering you 30 days in jail with credit for the 12 days that you've done. It looks like the state is moving to reduce it to a DWI first. Mr. Medrano, what you need to understand, 1 and 1 make 2. 2 and 1 make 3. So the next time you pick a DWI, it will be a third, and you will be looking at a felony charge, a minimum of 2 years in prison, a maximum of 10 years in prison. Do you understand? If I were you, I wouldn't get in the car even if you've had a sip of alcohol because you were taking a humongous risk. Do you understand? You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal. Once you plead guilty, it will go on your record and you can never take it off. Do you understand?
Yes.
Is this what you want to do?
Yes.
How do you plead to the offense of driving while intoxicated? Guilty or not guilty? I will find you guilty. I'm going to suspend your ability to drive for 1 year. Do not drive until you get a license. Good luck, sir. You can waive the fee and then the surcharge, which is $6,000. So $6,000 plus whatever the court cost is to waive.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Are you sure? It looks different. You shaved the beard. You shaved the beard. You look so much younger. Really. Hi, Mr. Powell. Good to see you. Unfortunately, in these circumstances, we had you go to the facility at the Ed Emmett.
Diversion. I've been there before and I completed it. I've been there back in, I want to say 2022, and from the court number 4. And I stayed there 14 days. They sent me to a church program. I didn't like that. I don't believe in God. I don't believe in God. I know. I know who crazy. I know who. And I don't want to disrespect you by telling you.
Well, let's hold on. I don't know what happened. Give me a second. Let me have them read out what happened on this case so we can see how to go forward. I don't even know where the new cases happen.